everyone, this is Parida and welcome back. Here is your favorite travel girl from Rome, Italy. Ancient capital, a city that is alive since 3000 years. That Rome has seen all the periods, the Renaissance, the Baroque, times from the Egypt and so on and so forth. Day 1 or 2 you can say, but it's day 1 for exploring. My SIM card's validity got over today because if you remember from my Spain videos, I had taken eSIM which was for 15 days, but I thought it was for 30 days. So I was just running around in the morning, and thankfully my hostel was near this station, and this station itself sells a lot of SIM cards. So I got lucky, but then I forgot my passport at home. No, not forgot, I obviously didn't carry my passport. So I had to run back to get it and then go again, get the SIM card done. And these guys, they don't do eSIM, they do only physical SIM cards. So ensure you have 2 slots, or if not, then your first SIM is either eSIM, or if you are okay with third option, that is removing your country's SIM card and putting this one, then you can do it. It was for 20 euros and I got 150 GB internet in Italy and 10 GB for Malta. I had a digital copy of my passport with me, but they did not accept that. I had a black and white physical copy of my passport, but even that wasn't okay, so I had to go to the hostel to get it back. I had a breakfast beside my hostel, beautiful, for a pistachio, a croissant and a cappuccino. It was around 3 to 4 euros together. From there I got in a train from a station called Termini, and the Google Maps showed me which station I had to get down for my pickup location for my free walking tours. Everything was pretty easy. Consider 15 minutes in and around metro for you to understand from where to get in and get out. I also ate this square pizza. Walking tour lasted for 2 hours from 10 to 12 noon, and you can just show up at the location that I've mentioned in the description box, and I'll also link the website from where you can reserve. But if you reserve, you'll have to pay 2 euros. So why do you want to do that? It's better to just show up, and it's a free guided tour, but obviously you are expected to tip them, which should be around 10 to 15 euros depending on how much you feel fit for the information that you've received. The tour ended at Vatican Gate, and I made a mistake of purchasing some souvenirs from there, but obviously don't do it. I knew of this, but I still did it thinking I might not get fridge magnet like that, but I was wrong. I did find something similar just street ahead and for only €1. This is Piazza Novana, probably one of the beautiful squares that I've come across in Rome. Here in this sculpture, earlier times they did not know of all the continents, so they have given a representation of river Ganga from Asia, river Danube from Europe, river Nile from Egypt, and one more river from Latin America. This entire sculpture is breathtakingly beautiful, and you can walk around this square, eat something, or just relax. It's a beautiful place to be. The view of the next monument literally took my breath away. It is Pantheon. and I'll be doing a guided tour tomorrow. So we just got information from the outside that these pillars were Egyptian style and Egyptian rock made. Again, one of the places where our guide took us and explained us lot of historical stories and folklores and importance. After the walking tour, I went to lunch at Osteria the Fortunata for a noci pasta. Probably the one that I ordered wasn't great, or maybe all aren't, or probably it's a place with a lot of hype. I am now headed to have tiramisu at 2 sizes, so let's see how it is. This place is ranked number 1 on TripAdvisor by a lot of people, stating how amazing this tiramisu is. There are broadly 5 flavors, and also one of the thing that is famous is Sicilian cannoli. Everything starts from 2 to 5 euros each. I had a classic tiramisu and the reviews are 1000% correct. It is one of the best tiramisus I've ever eaten in my life. The next spot was this gelato place where I had 2 flavors mixed together. There was a 40-minute wait line where I stood, and this small cone was for 2.5 euros. Just look at the size of this lemon. My next stop was Trevi Fountain, where I relaxed and sat opposite this for at least an hour before calling it a day. People put coins in this fountain. I was here in the afternoon and it was shit crowded. You can go at 8:30 in the morning if you want less or no crowds at all. After a few hours, I started walking towards the metro station. I had taken a 24-hour card, only for metros, of course. And on the way, I was just window shopping at Sephora in Termini station. This is from Chanel, and concealer looks so different. Laundry place just 100 meters from my hostel, and finished it for 8 euros before calling in a night. Subscribe to my channel for more such detailed vlogs.